got Ballinger Junior High, Ballinger High School, the Bearcats, man. I'm excited. We're here to celebrate Ballinger, Texas, live and direct. Let's get it poppin', let's go.
Gotta live these dreams before I'm dead, yeah. Did you hear what I said? Yeah, my vision clear and I pledge. I pledge. Gotta live these dreams before I'm dead, yeah. Did you hear what I said? Yeah, my vision clear and I pledge. To never live my life on the edge, yeah. Think about a job. Yeah, think about a job.
My name is C.A.P.S, Luckey, and I have to keep flowing. When it do, you know I rap, so I have to rap facts. Put this on your Instagram and put it on your Snapchat. Say he have to cool rag. When I'm trying to throw waves, I got a do-rag. That's why I rap facts. I said put this on your IG and your Snapchat. I go to IHOP, I might eat some flapjacks. When I wear something on my head, it be a snapback.
Watch what you say, watch what you say, watch what you say. Watch what you say, watch what you say, cause your words have weight.
Hey look, a wise man once told me, son, beauty is fleeting. And be mindful of these filters because they're truly misleading. So with the questions that I ask, this are confessions of a lad. Do women really need affirmation from the impressions of a mask? Are you afraid of not being accepted, rejected, feeling neglected? You rather keep with suppression and fall way deep in depression. I'm expressing the way I feel about women is still true. You're beautiful. Without filters, I'm trying to see the real you. The freckles and the wrinkles, the acne scars on her jaws. I love your imperfection. You get a round of applause. Baby, you don't need a filter. I gotta let you know you're beautiful without it. Might as well let it show. Let's go.
Say thank you. We love you. Hey, let's give our teachers a big round of applause. Our coaches a big round of applause. Hey, we appreciate you guys. Yeah.
Boy, you know the beat is knocking when we
Cruising down the street,
and you know my people rocking when we
cruising down the street,
get out the way, won't be no stopping when we
cruising down the street, when we cruising down the street, when we cruising down the street,
we be swerving lane to lane when we
cruising down the street,
every block will feel that bang when we
cruising down the street,
watch these haters go insane when we
cruising down the street, when we cruising down the street, when we cruising down the street,
Boy, you know the beat is knocking when we
cruising down the street,
and you know my people rocking when we
cruising down the street,
get out the way, won't be no stopping when we
cruising down the street, when we cruising down the street, when we cruising down the street,
we be swerving lane to lane when we
cruising down the street,
every block will feel that bang when we
cruising down the street,
watch these haters go insane when we
cruising down the street, when we cruising down the street, when we cruising down the street.
Bearcat Nation, we chasing greatness. That's our statement. Or who know now? Bearcat Nation, you ready to see them dance? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I call dancing right there. Let's go. All right, yeah, hold up.